There, baby Daryl. He always eating. He always somewhere eating. Now what you gonna name it? Eat him up? What? I don't know what he doing. What you eating up, duck? Tell your daddy hey. Come tell your daddy hey. I'm going to get some water. And there go the other duck. There you go. Going back to eat again. Going back to eat again. Hey, come tell your daddy hey. Say, hey, mama. I'm finna jump on that red ledge. Say hi there. Say hi. Oh, did the little duck fall down? Huh? There you go. You want some more water? Get another try. Huh? Where you going? Huh, little ducky? Where you going? I guess I need to get that cup up. You gonna come tell your mommy, daddy, hey? Where you going? Yeah, it's windy. It's really windy. Look at them. Look at them. They all running. They all running. They don't want to be bothered. But then the wind blow. Here they come. There they go. Yeah. Okay. It's cold. Let me put them up. I'm getting ready to put them up. The wind is just really, really blowing. Oh, Lord have mercy. Okay. Where y'all mama at? The spirit. The spirit all the way over there. Look at her. Okay. A windy day in Chicken City. Alright. It's me. It's Tina. It's a windy day and day number whatever and chicken number whatever. See y'all later.